right. Let's do some joinery today. This guy here. We'll set up here. Set up. Turn this puppy 90 degrees. Let's get cooking. These guys. That ain't going nowhere. Alright. These guys are next. Aprons are all done. Time to do the legs. Alright, so did this on a test piece just so I can see my reveal. I think I'm happy with that. Just about a 1/4 inch. So that's what we'll go with. Like that. There you go. Oh. Silly goose. Alright, I just had it all tightened up with clamps, checking around with the square. Everything is good to go. So all I got left is to take this puppy apart. We're going to shape all of my aprons, and that's going to be the final step before rounding over all the edges and gluing everything up. Stick around for the finish of this build.